How we doing? I'm Joe. I'm one of the therapists over here at JGPT Beaches. And today I'm going to show you a couple stretches for runners. Alright, so what we're going to do, each one of these stretches, I want you to do them for at least a minute, 3 times each, okay? That's usually optimal for stretching a muscle, is at least 3 minutes. The way I like to separate it is 3 for a minute. Alright, so the first stretch we're going to do is just an easy calf stretch. Now if you have something to hold on to, that's ideal. But if you got pretty good balance and you don't think you need it, that's alright. So we're going to use a curb here because we always see these everywhere, right? So we're going to have our heel on the ground and then our toe up on the curb here. And we can start kind of low. And what we're going to do is keep that knee straight for now. And we're just going to lean into it. And we can bring one foot up on the curb, just like so. And you're going to lean forward. What I don't want you doing is leaning this way. You're just going to stay tall, straight hips. Nice and straight leg. Again, about a minute or so. Good. Now we've gotten our gastroc muscle. Now we're going to try soleus. Soleus does the same thing as the gastroc, but it doesn't have an attachment up at the knee. So if we want to take the gastroc out of the equation, all we do is bend that knee. Now that takes the gastroc out on slack and allows us to stretch the soleus. Same thing, knee bent, up tall, except for that knee. We'll feel that same kind of stretch as we did with that first one. Good, now we'll take a break. Again, 3 for a minute. Next one we're going to do is a quad stretch. Sometimes people are a little off balance on this one, so this is something you definitely want to hold on to something. Again, we don't want you throwing forward like that. You want to stay nice and tall. Nice and tall here. Whoop. And you get a good stretch there. Again, something to hold on to is going to be ideal. You can do the other side, same thing, tall. Next one we're going to do is a hip flexor stretch. I know a lot of our hip flexors are pretty tight because we do a lot of sitting. So what we're going to do here, I put something down so I don't mess up these nice pants. I got to stay fresh for all my patients, right? Gonna do a little proposal here. I gotta get some practice with this, as some of my patients already know. So again, staying up tall. You don't want to be leaning forward. You want to stay nice and tall and just open up this hip a bit. Up tall, just like that. Ooh, I feel that one. Woo! Good, just like that. Awesome. All right, get out there, stretch, and run safely.